Hey everybody, we got this Dyson vacuum. I'll tell you what, we used to have a DC-25 and we loved it, and we used it for years and years. A lot of people didn't care for the DC-25. We loved ours, and we did commercial vacuuming with it. I mean, real nasty, dirty carpets that were full of all kinds of debris. We never had an issue with ours, so we were thinking the other day about getting another vacuum, and we almost bought a Shark. But then Joe suggested, what about a Dyson? I was like, well, let's go see what, because we hadn't looked into Dysons for years. So anyway, we got this. We got this a $500 vacuum. We got it 20% off and $400. So anyway, we're going to show you guys how it works. So here we go. Oh. Real quick, it has a floor selector. I've got it in the highest, but for this carpet, I'm gonna move it in the middle, and that's the lowest. So let me start over with the thing adjusted right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna vacuum back the other way just to, I always like to double vacuum all the rooms, so. Picking up some stuff. It probably is. All right, let's see.
Let's bring the canister here now.
This carpet is vacuumed a lot, so.
Let me hold it up to the light.
It picked up a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
That's quite a bit.
Not too
Especially
bad.
since Charles
There you go.
vacuumed like over the weekend real good.
Well, see that?
All right.
Yeah.
This is why we bought this vacuum, because if you buy a more powerful vacuum, now customers can have a quality vacuum that picks up a lot, but if you have a more powerful vacuum, you're of course going to pick up more than they do, because the more power you got, the more trash you're going to grab. So they probably have a nice vacuum, but we have one that's just super powerful, and that's how it works. So that's why we got it. What kind of, well, do you know what you guys got? Was that what it's called?
It's a name brand, but
Okay.
it's just a small one.
But yeah, that's why we got this, because there's a lot of nice vacuums you can get, but this is either the most powerful vacuum Dyson's ever made, or it's right up there at the top of the most powerful they ever made. So that's why we got it, because for carpet cleaning, we need the best.
Oh, one thing we also decided to get it because it's got an anti-wrap pair brush roll on it, which that's a huge deal. You're always having to stop and clean the brush roll out, and we're tired of doing that with vacuums. So
is there any hair on it?
I don't think so. It's pretty clean.
Yeah, it's got an anti-detangle, so you won't, like if you get someone's house and they got foot-long hair, the brush is going to get it off the.
Yeah, and that saves a lot of
brush roll.
That's it, and not having to clean your filters very often, and not having to mess with the brush roll. That saves you a huge amount of time. Well, I guess that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that.
Yeah, we hope you guys liked it.
Yeah, until next time, thanks for watching.